4 painful and hidden reasons as to why your inner world and relationships are falling apart, whether it be your marriage, dating, parenting, motherhood, as a wife, as a leader, as a business owner, in your health, in your mental health, in your body. If any of those areas doesn't feel like how it should be flowing, you feel uneasy, you're not happy, and you find that life hasn't been the best lately, I can promise you there's a reason why, and life doesn't have to feel this way. After 20 plus years of navigating my own journey, where things were uncomfortable in many different aspects of my life, I remember navigating this journey and trying to figure out like what is going on. And after I overcame and I got to the other side, and I started to experience a beautiful shift in my mind, in my body, in my soul, in my spirit, in my relationships, in my business and leadership, and all these different things started falling into place spiritually as well. Then God was like, don't you realize something? Don't you notice that there's 4 powerful secret journeys that you had to go through that allowed for you to see a shift in your life? Then he asked me to make it official and to start packaging that very specific journey to share it with other people. And it has been a game changer. I started to share it with our clients. I started to share it with other women, and they as well started to see a shift. If you're watching this and you've been feeling discouraged, you've been feeling down, you've been trying to figure out, well, Lord, what do you want me to do? Especially if you're a believer, if you're in business, you're in leadership, you're in a marriage that's not working out, you feel misunderstood, you feel unseen, you don't know what to do. You know that something has to change, but you have no idea what step to even take to see a shift and to have a breather, to be able to sleep better at night and to have the peace of mind that you desire. I promise you, it does not have to be difficult. And this is why I have packaged everything that I have been through in my 20 plus year journey into this book that God has asked me to put together. Now, He has been putting this book in my heart for a while, and I'm so glad that I have finally put everything in here. In this book, I share my 20 plus year journey, and also it's really a guide for you that's going to give you clarity, it's going to give you strategy, it's going to show you exactly what you need to do in order for you as well to see a shift in your life. I don't care where you've been stuck. I don't care where things have been difficult. I don't care what you've been navigating, right? And the beauty about this book is that it's not one dimensional. It's spiritual, it's emotional, it's mental, it's physical, it's practical, it's relational, it's professional. So if you're in HR, you need to read this book. If you're in leadership and you're not effective in your leadership, in your role, you need to read this book. If you're a wife and you have a failing marriage, you need to read it. If you're a Christian and you're trying to understand how the spirituals literally impact everything, you need to read this book. Like everything I've written in here are things that I've seen. And it's very powerful to be able to tap into all these different aspects of what I talk about in here so that you're able to see a shift. If you're a husband as well, and you have a wife, you have daughters, if you're in ministry or you're a leader in business and you're working with women, it's going to be important for you to understand how to support these women as well, how to show up for them, how to support them. So this is really a game changer. We have an audio for the ladies and men who like to go on a walk, on a run, at the soccer practice, in the bathtub. We have the audio that you can listen to. For those of you who like a physical copy, of course, we have that. And what's beautiful is that you can just throw this in your bag with a pen, because at the end of the book, there is a note section where you're able to take all your notes. Okay, so you don't need to have a separate notebook, right? With this book alone, you have both a book and a notebook where you can jot out all your notes. We also have a reflective workbook. And this one is for book clubs, women ministries, small groups, work groups. It doesn't matter what kind of small group you have where you want to have a deep level conversation. That reflective workbook is going to be very powerful for you to go very deep. For couples reading this book together, you can have the workbook as well where you can actually connect deeper with each other to have a better understanding. This is really a profound, holistic book that's going to change the game for you. So click the link below to get your copy. I cannot wait to share my world with you and to also share this guide with you. Whether you get the copy of this book, whether you listen to it, I pray it's a blessing for you. It's a blessing for your life, for your home, for your marriage, for your relationship, for your mental health, for your spiritual health, for your heart, all of the above, for your finances, for your growth, for your success. I'm excited for you to experience the beauty there is and the shift that exists when you decide to look within and to do something different so that you're able to navigate life in a profound way. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the inside.